For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially, not for actually potentially.
Let me explain how this is going to go down, okay? Yeah. I'm going to hold on to your phone. So, you're going to be placed under arrest, and then you're going to be searched, and we're going to find the items. Either you can just give them to us now, or when we have an officer come and search you and find the items, then we can charge you additionally.
September 4th, 2024. Millburn, New Jersey, a mall security tip, a clothing description matched on site, and roughly 18 minutes of body cam footage that end in handcuffs. Terry versus Ohio permits detention on reasonable, articulable suspicion below probable cause, but Florida versus J.L. requires corroboration because anonymous tips alone are not enough. Here, the officer visually confirmed the exact clothing description at contact, converting the tip into lawful suspicion.
Seven, hold the air. I got her outside Victoria's Secret now. I'm trying to catch up with her.
Can you go again with that?
She's walking towards Bloomingdale's by Victoria's Secret. I'm trying to catch up. Hi, ma'am. Stop right there. Hi. I'm Officer DeLakey, Milburn Police. Just so you're aware they're recording on Bodycam. Okay. Stand over here for me.
Okay.
Right over here. Okay. Were you shopping in any stores today?
Yeah, I just came to the mall.
Okay. So I'm just going to read your rights real quick. You have your rights there.
What?
Just listen here. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello? Why is he recording me? What's going on?
Relax. Let me finish my statement.
What's going on?
I'm going to answer your questions after I read my statement.
Hello? What is it? I'm in the mall. It's him on the
I ever stopped by Crate and Barrel.
Crate and Barrel? I don't want to Crate and Barrel.
Right. Are you going to listen or are you going to talk?
Okay, listen.
Okay. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one could be appointed to you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
That would be clear.
What store were you in today?
I was going into Pink, and I went into, I forgot where I went into before that.
Okay. All right. Did you conceal any merchandise on you? Did you take any clothing? Because we're going to go to the store and look at the cameras. So.
Okay. Hello?
So did you take any clothing?
No, I did not.
Okay. Can you just do me a favor? Hang up the phone real quick while I'm speaking with you. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't. I have a picture of it on my phone. I recently lost because it got expired.
Okay. 3, can you go to the store and confirm, please?
What store are you talking about this happening?
What store have you been in?
I told you I went into Pink, and I think I went into Aloe after. That was it.
Okay. All right. Let me see your ID real quick.
It's expired.
Okay.
It's expired on my birthday.
Thank you.
I'm under arrest for what?
You're not under arrest. You're just being detained at this time.
Detained for what, though, officer?
For potentially shoplifting.
For potentially? Not for actually potentially?
So you're matching the description of somebody that reported shoplifting at a store.
I just literally got to this mall.
So we're looking at camera footage right now.
Okay.
If you didn't shoplift, you'll be on your way. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. What's the phone number for you?
My phone's gonna be cut off.
the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law.
Hello?
Have you got close?
Why is he recording me? What's going on?
So what did you take from the store?
I didn't say for what store.
What's in your dress that you took from the store? You're on camera.
What camera am I on, officer?
Every camera that's in the store caught you putting stuff in your dress.
In what store?
So
The store that you were in.
let me explain how this is going to go down, okay? I'm going to hold on to your phone. So you're going to be placed under arrest, and then you're going to be searched, and we're going to find the items. Either you can just give them to us now,
Okay.
or when we have an officer come and search you and find the items, then we can charge you additionally.
Okay, and what happened? Yo, tomorrow's my daughter's birthday.
Okay.
My kids go back to school tomorrow.
Is that why you took the items?
Oh my daughter's school and her birthday's tomorrow.
Okay. Well, let's give us the items that you have concealed under your dress, and then we'll get you out of here as soon as we can.
No, I know y'all gonna arrest me. Like,
We are.
so
Either way, we need the items back. Whether we get
do it right here.
are they tucked in there, or can you just pull them out?
Like I don't feel comfortable doing it right here.
Okay. All right.
Is there like a corner I could go into?
Let's go in this corridor over here. Okay. I just need you to take your purse off real quick. You can keep everything in there.
I cannot lose money.
It's all coming with you.
Kids.
It's all coming with you. We're gonna hold on
That's
to
all I
it.
have.
We're gonna hold
My
on to it.
kids.
And again, like I mentioned originally, everything is recorded on body camera. So
My sister, Sharifa,
take this off.
call mommy and tell her I'm getting locked up right now. Call mommy and tell her I'm getting locked up. I gotta send you Dante's number too.
Okay.
I'm in New Jersey. Call Kimmy too.
I'll let you make a phone call when we get down.
All right.
Where are you?
I tried entering for
Can I go to the corner?
Just welcome me. See that exit sign? We're gonna walk right over here. Right here.
You just walked up. Yes.
And whenever you have it, you just go on the ground.
Okay. My Lester's gonna call you in a minute, so.
Make sure it's all of it because, like I said, you're going to get searched back there, and if you don't turn it over now, we're going to charge you additionally. Okay.
Jake, you want me out of your social control? 3, you want?
Am I gonna make it up for my daughter's birthday tomorrow?
Yes.
That's all I can.
Okay. Just confirm that's everything.
Like I'm weak.
I said confirm that's everything that's on you. Make sure that's everything that's on you. Definitely nothing else in there. Like that. It's a New York deal at the top.
I just want to make it for my daughter.
That's definitely it, right? Because I'm telling you, you're going to get searched. She's going to go under your dress. And
Yeah, all the way.
can you just take the dress off? I mean, you have pants underneath, right?
So I'm taking it off, but I have nothing.
I'm sorry?
I don't feel comfortable.
You don't want to take it off? Okay.
I feel comfortable.
Like I said, as long what's this strap here?
It's for the dress.
My kids went to the doctor.
All right, so like I said, you're going to get searched when we get down there. If there's more merchandise, that could be an issue.
Can you just be honest with me?
What's up?
Am I gonna make it for my daughter's birthday?
Yes. Like I said, you were pretty transparent, right? You did admit to it.
Show you her date of birth. And
Listen. I'm going to work with you, okay? You gave me everything back, right? So, are you going to get arrested? Yes. You're going to get processed. I will do my best to get you out of here today, okay? Okay?
Helps people get time.
All right, just come over here and come over here and just stand on the wall here. Just put your hands behind your back.
If it's like for
When I'm able to go on my phone because I don't have no number.
It's all going to come with you. I'm going to let you make a phone call when we get back to the police department, okay?
find somebody for the
You guys are very good.
3, you want $1,
Yeah, that's what it's not. Yeah.
You repeat? Both purchases are covered on maintenance staff, yes.
Can I ask you something else?
What's up?
The money that's my son is currently at the hair salon. The money I have in my bag is to buy his sneakers to school tomorrow.
Well, like I said, all your money, all your property is going to come with you. When you're released, you're going to get it back. We're not keeping your money. Okay?
Just I can show you everything that I'm not lying about. My kids going to school tomorrow.
Okay.
And I can show you my daughter's birth certificate. That tomorrow is really her birthday.
Okay. So that doesn't change anything, but like I said, we're going to do some paperwork.
I know. I just want to.
I'm hoping you'll be out of here in a couple hours.
I just want to know that I'm not lying to you.
Like I said, you gave me all the merchandise back, and I'm taking your word with that, okay? So, I'm going to work with you, and it's just going to be a shoplifting charge, okay? So that's it. So, maybe a few hours of paperwork. You're not going to miss her birthday, okay? Don't stress about it. But you're going to... What's up? That's all. So what stores did you steal from?
Because there's Victoria's Secret in there.
Yeah, so when you went in Pink, you took stuff from there as well?
It was only Pink and Aloe.
Aloe? Just those two stores? Okay.
Is your accent is decent about?
Alright.
DJ said he's on his way here, so.
Did you want to wait, or?
Well, I think he's more worried about the merchandise.
There's Victoria's Secret too.
Alright. I'll probably get save it.
Alright. If he needs volunteers, I have him in my clipboard there.
No, we gotta do that right now.
Okay. Victoria's Secret's probably...
Yeah, they could write it down, receive it.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, no, they're not.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. You ready?
You wanna be taped?
What are you doing? I'm trying to run you over that way.
Sorry?
I just want to make sure I get to make a call.
I'm gonna let you... I got your phone. I'm gonna let you make a call when we get back.
You got the other phone too?
Yeah, he's got it right over there with your purse. So it's all gonna come with you. Alright. I'll take it, brother. Thank you. Alright, let's walk.
Park your car there.
Bye, CBK.
Yeah, let's separate it right here, because there's a bench.
Alright, then I'll take it.
Yeah. So this Victoria and Aloe.
Which one's Aloe?
Some of the receipts came off.
This is all Victoria's Secret, probably. Victoria's Secret, probably the main.
Yeah.
Main hall. Aloe. She wrote the Victoria's Secret.
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret.
Jesus. Where's this from? Aloe.
Okay. I'll take
Yeah,
this.
just get up in my business. Don't worry about it.
Take all the time.
Yeah.
You want me to help you? You got it.
Oh, no, I should be all right. I should be all right. Just,
I know. These look good on me? They shove them down their pants and help them carry it.
Hi. So,
Charlie 111.
yeah, she just stole it from here. So, yeah, the girl we were just outside with right now. Oh, yeah. So she had all this from you guys. So she admitted to stealing it. So for us to like return it, I don't know if you guys are familiar. Like,
Let me call them.
yeah, if you don't mind.
These were only I need you to the chocolate.
She had a, oh my gosh, she had like a floral skirt. Hello.
Yes, I know exactly.
Yeah, with the blue, with like a greenish bluish hat.
Yes, yes.
Oh, just like a few minutes ago. Yeah, yeah, she was just right. We were just right over there. She just took it all off her skirt right now. So what
I
we?
even said to her, she dropped something, and I said, "Oh, I love your skirt." The skirt was full.
Oh, it was definitely full. So what we need is like a receipt with all like the prices, and then like just a statement saying that we returned it back to you guys, is confirmed stolen, and we're just giving it back to you. That's pretty much it.
Nice. I love our men in blue. I do.
Oh, I appreciate that.
It's gonna be a minute.
No, don't worry.
Laura, can you grab me another iPad? So I have AP.
Oh, there we go.
This by itself is like almost $200.
It's just ridiculous. She's worried about going to her kid's like birthday thing.
The rest of it?
Just, for any amount, doesn't matter. It could be $5.
Oh,
Yeah,
back to
yeah.
being normal again?
No, still no, but it's if you call, yeah, no, we'll still able to, it doesn't matter the dollar amount. That's all.
Yes, do you go straight back on your right?
No, she was arrested for it was aloe, something aloe. I guess it's a news store. I've never seen it.
Yeah.
Obviously, and then she pulled this out, and then I was like, okay, what else did you steal from? Because clearly, I'm sorry.
Should be about 5'5", 5'4". I'm 5, almost.
She's about your height. Yeah, she's about your height.
Shorter than me. She has a thing on her head, right?
She has a hat. Yeah.
One middle female under, be transporting from home headquarters.
No, thankfully no.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, sir.
No knives?
No.
Guns? Razor blades? Wire cutters? Nothing like that?
Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
Watch yourself.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna throw this stuff on the passenger seat.
Alright. Got it, you can have a seat. You're gonna sit underneath the blue seat belt.
I give you a call.
2 phones and a purse, sir.
She had a car.
Car? Good question.
12 Bravo 9, thank you.
How'd you get up to the mall today?
Somebody gave me a ride.
Okay, so do you have a car here?
No.
How'd you plan on leaving?
The person was supposed to meet me, but
Okay, you're not here with anybody
I
else?
live in Queens, so and the person gonna give me a ride where I could take like a metronome back to because I live in the address I gave you is Rosedale.
Okay.
The metronome.
Alright, so you weren't here with anybody else? Okay.
Berkemer versus McCarty confirmed. Terry stops do not trigger Miranda, but the officer reads full rights anyway, and under North Carolina versus Butler, continuing to answer questions after acknowledging those rights is an implied waiver. She said she understood, then named both stores and kept talking. The officer says hand over the items now or face additional charges at the station. Colorado versus Connelly judges voluntariness on totality of circumstances, not whether the person felt pressured. New Jersey courts allow it when the described consequences are accurate and no physical pressure is applied. Both true here. Once the items surface, and she names the stores, reasonable, articulable suspicion becomes probable cause. The Fourth Amendment line is crossed correctly, and the detention becomes an arrest. New Jersey Statute 2C, 20-11 covers concealing merchandise on the body with intent to deprive the merchant. Degree turns entirely on retail value. Under $200 is a disorderly person's offense. $200 to $499 is 4th degree. $500 and above is 3rd degree. Merchandise from 3 retailers almost certainly clears $200 in indictable crime. Under 2C, 44(1), New Jersey presumes against incarceration for first-time indictable offenders, and pretrial intervention is available here. Officer Delicki receives an A-. The stop is grounded. Tone stays flat across 18 minutes, and Miranda delivered early sealed the admissibility of everything that followed. The implied consequences statement is the one thin moment, permissible under New Jersey law, but the most exposed point in the encounter. The subject receives a C+. She did not physically resist, which matters. What she did not do is invoke a single protection. She waived Miranda by talking, named both stores unprompted, and surrendered the merchandise without asking for a lawyer. Saying you understand Miranda and then answering questions is an implied waiver under Butler. The right to silence stops questioning the moment it is invoked, not just the moment it is read. That invocation never came. Reasonable suspicion gets an officer in the door. It is not evidence of guilt. Probable cause was built almost entirely from what the subject said and surrendered after Miranda, the exact outcome that right is designed to prevent. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.